I'm waiting for Kayla to come out so that we can do our 6 miles. We were out, we did 1 loop, but she realized that it was too cold. You can see a mountain in the distance. Right over there. Across the Snake River. Are you ready finally?
Yes.
So the leaves are changing colors just since we've been here. Those were, I think, all green, maybe, or mostly. And they're turning that golden yellow. I don't know what kind of trees these are, though. But they're beautiful. That's all you need to know. You don't need to know the names of things. You just need to know that they're beautiful. And over here I see a wood-o rabbit. And he's off. Taking a left turn at Albuquerque. Here's the bathrooms. You can see where they are in proximity to the loops. This loop over here actually has its own bathroom. And then this is the other loop here that we're staying on. I'll show you what the inside looks like. Shower there, closed off door. And on the other side is the laundry. You can see they've got some propane tanks here, which is fantastic to get you some hot water. Over there's the river, and that's the cafe. It's not open right now, but it's when it is open, I've heard good things. And the river goes along here. There's a beach down there, and a swing set, and a big open field. And here's the laundry. You got a washer and a dryer there, and a washer and a dryer there, with a table and some books if you want to read while you're here. This happens multiple times a day, but I don't think I've been awakened by it one time at night, and it's really not even very loud outside. They are super long trains, normally pulled by like 3 or 4 engines, and then 1 in the middle, and sometimes another 2 on the other end. It's pretty crazy. I think I actually hear the final engines coming now, or locomotives. I don't really know if you're supposed to call it a locomotive or what. No, it's not the final one, it's the middle. So it just goes and goes and goes. There's 2 of them in the middle, and then more and more and more cars. It's really kind of neat when you think about it.